Okay, so 3 to the r equals n. See what we can do here. They want us to change, write the equation in log form. So we're going to change it to log form. So this is exactly just like the 1 uno thing. You know, if I said, hey, 1, change it, you know, change the language, uno. So you're saying the same thing, right? 1, 1. You're just saying it in 2 different languages. You're just changing the language. Well, that's all we're doing here. This is exponent language, right? It's got an exponent. It's got a power. And now they want us to change it to log form. Well, how do you do that? Exactly what we did before. It's the little swoosh. It's like the Nike swoosh or whatever. You grab the 3, you hit the N, you hit the R. So it's 3 to the N equals R. Wait. I just did the same thing. That was dumb. That is right, but it's log because we're changing to log now. Log and the 3 to the N equals the R. Yep, there it is. Does that make sense? It's the same thing. 3NR, 3NR. See if I went back, if I went 3RN, it would go right back, wouldn't it? But you had to bring in the log word because this is log form and this is exponent form. So,
Mr. Harris, oh, sorry.
Go ahead. Yeah, Debbie, what do you want to say?
In the first question, the N would have, should the N be in parentheses? In the first question, it was log lower Z and then W was in parentheses.
Oh, I think, you know, I'm going to check. In general, mathematically, the parentheses are optional. You don't have to have them. I wonder if the homework system is going to make you, though. I think it won't, but let me try. Yeah, so it should be just like that. No parentheses are required mathematically, but let me check and see how picky the homework system is. It shouldn't make us, but it doesn't always do what it should. Let me see. I'm just going to give it a try here. This is 6.3. This was number question 3, and I'll see how picky it is. Okay, so let's see. It wants, you know, it says parentheses in the answer, but what if oh yeah, to type this in, you got to go log, and then you got to hit the lower, I don't see a lower, oh, down here, yeah, here it is. See the lowercase button right there? Or the whatever, I mean, the, not lowercase, it's a subscript. It's called subscript. Click on that, then it'll go down for the 6, but then you have to get back to the main line. You can click, or you can hit the right arrow or the tab or whatever. I'm going to try to do it without any parentheses. Uh-oh. It like put in some weird parentheses of its own. I didn't do that. Let me try that again. What if I do that? Yeah, okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's weird though. It like added in its own parentheses, but I went back and took them out and it was okay. It was kind of weird. So yeah, in the end, it will take it without parentheses. Even though it shows the answer with parentheses, you don't have to put those parentheses in. They are optional. So yeah, that's a good question. It's good. It does do that faithfully. Good. Let me switch back to the iPad here. So logarithms and exponentials are, again, inverses. They're opposite. They're like a second power and a square root, like an acid in a base, poison in the antidote. They're opposites. An exponential and log form are opposite ways of saying the same truth. That's what they are. So to change between them, again, you do the swoosh thing. You go this to this is that. This to this is that. Like that. You go to the other side of the equal sign, and then you come back. You go to the other side of the equal sign, and you come back. So that's how you always do it. And so there's the 2 forms.